So we're going to create a CMA. Everybody has different ways of creating a CMA, but using the Cloud CMA setup, you'll be able to create a CMA. So I'm going to show you right now. Residential, detail. We're going to start with active on the contract, pending, closed. It's going to go 180 days, single family. Going to add properties not attached. Just want to double check everything is clean down here. So there's nothing hidden. I'm going to put the address in here, 18176. Sharon Lane. There you go. I know the property is 4 and 2.5, so I'm going to leave that there. It's so close to 2,000 square foot. I'm going to start at 1,700 to 3,000. It's giving me 18 matches right down here. Go to results. It's giving me the entire 18 matches. I'm going to select all. And I'm going to adjust the pricings so I don't need the high ones. 14, I'm going to pull that out. The 3 of them out. I'm going to take the 750 out. And 840, 859, so you can adjust it as you wish. Now, please note, most of us have been using this particular CMA. This is not the one that you need to go to. It's called Cloud CMA. So it's in the cloud. Use that. If you click on it, once you've got an account already set up, it should get you to this page here. Always put in the client's name. I'm going to put test. Enter the address of the property, 18176 Sharon Lane. It should actually come up. There it is. It's going to populate like I told you previously, and it will also fill in this information if you want. If you notice, all your MLS listing is coming from the MLS part of it. All these listing IDs are inputted in here. So what it's done is taken all that properties and it's going to start doing a comparable and print out everything for you. So we're going to go and finish all the different properties. You can still adjust it here as well. If something is high or too low, you can figure it out from there. All right. Here's the pricings that it's showing you right now. Customize it. And you can use the regular CMA part of it, or in my case, I already got one template set up. I'm going to choose that. I already got that, main. Everything else stays standard, publish, and this becomes easier.
Welcome to iBuyer Connect. Currently,
by the way, iBuyer Connect is something I will discuss later on. We're going to skip it right now. And there's your CMA setup. Need to do is print the PDF or download it, and it will show up here. And on the first page, it will have the client's information, including the property address, and it will show up in the map as well. You can also add a picture to this later on, and that is part of the first page on the CMA. Before you start up, you can actually load a page there as well. It's all up to you. But this is all prepared for you. You don't have to do anything. It's very well printed up. And you can use this as a presentation for your listing. You can also do a slideshow. I've shown this in a previous tutorial, but just to give you a heads up, there you go. Okay. And basically that's it. There's also a buyer's tour property tour, and also a flyer can be created for you. Just adding client name. So I'm going to say test, and we're going to put the property address here. If you already have another property that you've actually been working with, you can do that, or you can always go to the MLS and find a property that you feel that may be active. So there's the last one at the bottom here. I'm going to choose that. There's the address. Now you can apply the address, or you can apply the ID. Faster using an ID. It'll bring all the information from the MLS, and hopefully you've got some permission from the listing agent. It's going to create a customizable flyer for you. And this is what the customizable flyer is going to look like. Then you can make some changes to it. Same thing using a theme. Choice is yours. This was the first one you can use. You can apply something else. Let's use modern and gray. Don't like that either. Oh, there you go. This looks a little bit better. We'll apply this particular theme. It will automatically make the changes for you. Don't like that either. Why isn't it choosing? Let's use another one. And you can also use Berkshire Hathaway's setup. So I'm just going to use Berkshire Hathaway's. So let's say luxury. And it's going to load California Properties Luxury, for instance. Taking a little too long, yeah, but I wonder if there's something else will. Choose the layout and change this particular layout. If you like this particular type of flyering, then you can apply it, and then off you go. You can also make description changes here. Also, I would rather just normally leave it from the MLS, and you can publish the report. There's a report or the flyer that's going to be printed up for you. All you need to do now is download or print, and it will get to the printer and you are done. So in a very short period of time, you'll be able to print up flyers for yourself. Excellent flyers. You don't have to worry about going to a printer, or you can even use this and send it out to a printer. Easy. All right. That's as simple as it gets. So if you need any other flyers, I've created another one here. It looks like, just to give you a heads up, this is a very old one of the properties that I worked on. And that's it, folks. Talk to you soon.